And dar lá de mí anar, 2nd of January. Ní le 5 mí fáca go dtíon scrúdathe. Ní le 5 mí fáca go dtíon áirteis. There's only 5 months left of the leaving cert. 5 months left of school. Unbelievable stuff. Cogargus. Tá seacht an séir go bhanis, you've a week free, this week is free, chun staidéir dhéanamh to study. An céad rud go caiith sé dhéanamh. Mana bhfuil sé déanta go bh hena féin. Before you start studying, not plan a crothú, you have to create a plan. Done the 5 mí seo for these 5 months. Create a plan. Write out a plan. Better than a céad 3 Yen dorú, air, and laga atá good. Concentrate on the weaknesses. Concentrate on your weaknesses. What are your weaknesses? What are you weak at in that subject? Mar lenguegum sin gramadach an capadóracht, an iliocht, an scrúbéil, scrúcainte. Cad é. What are your weaknesses? The oral, the composition, the grammar, prose, stories, literary expression. What is it? What are your weaknesses? Concentrate on them maybe for the first 3 months. Do a plan out. What are you going to do this month? What are you going to do this week? What are you going to do today? Work out your plan. Actually, do you know what? Wi-Fi's on and I'm going to turn it off.